Hey, welcome back to another episode of John's Crypto Therapy. Today we're going to be talking about Ecomi and we're going to be looking at a key selling opportunity. So if you guys are new to this channel, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. In this channel, I'll be going through daily analysis. I will try to give you guys key ideas and key principles on what can happen, look at patterns and structures, and if you guys could put this into educational use and put it into context, you can make a ton of money. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just my advice and what I give to myself and to my students. So right here on my left-hand corner, we do have two indicators. The first one is Ichimoku. It is being traded with the cloud. It's such a great indicator, especially for trend trading. So this is going to be one of those indicators that I'm going to be using today, and you guys are going to see a sneak peek on how I use that with extra confluence. But first of all, I have to do my TA. My TA comes first. These are going to be add-ons to give me extra confirmation. And the second indicator is going to be parabolic SAR. SAR is a great indicator to use, especially for reversals in conclusion with other indicators. But regardless, guys, you don't need indicators to trade. Price action is the right way to go. Naked trading is the future of trading, and it's always going to be here. So right here in the market, I have taken a huge amount of profits, and I'm going to show you guys how I scalp the markets every single time. You don't, once again, need a huge move. You don't need that to be a great trader. You don't need to look for these levels to make all-time highs when prices go up. You don't need that, guys. All you need is to be patient and understand that we're going to make money even with the smaller moves. And today we're going to be talking about that with the multi-time frame analysis, and we're going to get right into it. So guys, once again, if you do like this content, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, because the more support you give me, the more I will be putting out. And I do love the passion and knowing that I'm helping out the community, making a tremendous amount. It really helps me to know that you guys do like this type of content and you guys are pushing yourself to make more OMI token, because the future is going to be bright, especially for this token. I'm going to work our way down. You know what? Let's just start with the 1 hour, because I've already talked about this as much as I can, guys. And this right here is going to be an ascending triangle. We talked about this previously, and I even told you guys, if structures do not hold and we do see prices breaking to the upside, we're going to see one thing. We're going to see a retest of structure, and we're going to look for that huge move to the upside. Of course, we're going to be taking profits on the way, because profits is going to dictate to us, hey, look, if we take profits, we're safe. That's what's going to show us, because if price falls again, because we sold some of our profits here, and when prices fall back down, guess what we're going to do right here? We're going to actually stock up on more OMI tokens and buy back, and guess what we're going to do from there? We're going to target the same zone. Once price breaks up, what we're going to do? We're going to see structure break, we're going to look for a retest, and then of course we're going to look for another move to the upside. So we're looking for push phase and exhaustions. Exhaustions are when you're going to see a retracement. Push phase is when it goes in the direction of the trend. As here, if it breaks up to the upside, this is going to be an uptrend. But right now we do not see that. So that's going to be a side note. Now we're going to draw at our key level right here. And this level was such a great level. If you guys paid attention to this key level, you guys would have made a huge amount of profits. If you are staking OMI token, that's totally fine. But if you're trading it, you're going to get exponential type of growth. That's what I'm talking about, because this is trading, and trading is the way to go. So right here, guys, you could see there was weakness in structure. Each time price went up, what did it do? It failed to break above structure. That means one thing only. That means this level right here in the market was telling us there was no reason for the market to go up. So if prices does not go up, and I told you guys there's going to be a breakout that's going to happen, and we're going to look for a fulfillment, and then we're going to see a retracement, a fulfillment of this type of move right here. And this move alone, let's take a look at the range right here. This move alone is a 19% move, almost 20% move. So now, and this 19% move, because it broke out of structure, we put it exactly where structure broke, and you guys could see exactly where it's trying to go. So roughly around 0.0013, we can see structures going all the way to the downside. Of course, I already sold. I'm making a tremendous amount of money, and we're going to be talking about some key levels that we're going to look for. This is going to be a structure in the market. You should get into it, look at structures, see if you're looking for a selling opportunity. But now we are coming to a key level in the market, structure. So this is going to be support. If prices does not break this structure, be careful. We are going to see a price movement to the upside. Could this be a short time? Absolutely. We can see right here we have resistance, and now it could bounce off there. Then guess what? It can happen. It could go all the way to the downside. So we have a lot of games, a lot of plays that we could do, but we're going to be talking especially about the key breakout and how I got into a trade and how you next time could do the same. So remember, guys, when I draw patterns, these patterns are making profits for a lot of my students. Do not underestimate these patterns. I'm not here giving you false information. This is price action. If you take notes, if you practice everything that I say, you guys will absolutely make profits. It's about putting it to work, put it to work, and you will see the outcome, okay? hard work will always win, and this is the way to do so. So right here, guys, we did have a key breakout. I'm going to show you why it's important. So when we get into this part, I'm going to show you why we got into this trade. First, we're going to use the TA skills. Then we're going to break it down a little bit more. Then we're going to use our indicators to get extra confluence on why this trade could have been a 90% move, and this 90% move. And I do want to show you guys when it goes a little bit lower, how much money that I truly did make. For a lot of people that are wondering, hey, how are you trading Omi? Guys, I made a video on ETH the other week. Only 113 people watched it, but I had over 25 messages of people saying they made profits. Why? They took advantage of my videos. My video is not for everyone. Once again, it's for the people that are going to take action. My videos are for people that take action, because for me, it's not about growing on YouTube. It's about making that mindset change. It's to make the mindset change for a lot of other people, to make their mindset change, for them to grow and become a better person in this trading environment. Okay, so we're going to talk about exactly what happened in structure, and let's go for it. So right here, we had the same pattern, ascending triangle, and as you guys can see, price broke out. Let's look at this exact breakout, see where it went. Look at that, not a coincidence. It went towards the trend line. Great. This was a great time. Guess what I did right here? If I knew that this trend line was a strong trend line, and we talked about this, guys, we have 1 touch, 2 touch, and 3. So this is going to be a key level. If I do this as well, and I take this and extend it, we do have another touch. So guys, we have our 3 touches. This was our 4th, an extra confirmation. What am I looking for? For my students, they already know we have 2 different types of entry methods, and right here, it has already shown what to do. We could look for a channel, we could look for a wedge. Right here, we have a perfect channel. So this channel was broken. Look for the take profits, go for the width inside, and take that, go to the extension. As you guys can see, where did price go? It went towards our take profit zone. Now, when we look at this structure, what happened right here? Structures got broken. For all those that are sensitive and did not want to enter aggressive trades, what do? John always repeats this every single video, because I care about you guys. I care about you guys not losing money, because I know how it feels. I've lost a lot of money before, and I'm not here to make you guys do the same. So right here, I'm going to show you in the path tool how we're going to do this. So price did went up, it went down, it went higher, double top, but it did make a higher high and a higher low, but an equal top. Okay, it went lower, then it went up. It failed to break above structure, but we did make a lower low. Now prices went down. So this right here was showing me a phase of indecision. But once price broke the previous structural low, what did we look to do? We looked to get into a trade, because we were great and we understood this was going to be an opportunity of a lifetime. So for those that got in aggressively, great job. There was a lot of people that listened to me and took advantage. For those that did not and understood that, I always say one thing: wait for a breakout, wait for a retest, and get into your trade. For those that listened to me and respected structure, as this was support before, if it was support 1, 2, 3, 4, guys, this was resistance, of course, but this was a key level. What is it going to do? It's going to come back to that key level, and we're going to see the same wick rejection, guys. This is why I took a beautiful sell-off and a great move, and I am looking to take some profits right here. Why do I say that? Because price can actually wick off, and then guess what? If price does break this, then I'm going to look for maybe a long for a short period of time. But if price does hold in this key level and we do break below, this is going to be such a great selling opportunity, and we're going to see the all-time lows around this level. This is going to be a level where I'm going to be taking huge profits, and guys, I'm compounding my interest every single time. We're going to look at the Ichimoku right here, and right here for the Ichimoku, what do we see in the clouds? The clouds are red. The clouds are red, showing me what? Bearish descent, bearish pressure, bearish move. Right? We do see a huge engulfing red candle, showing me a lot of pressure to the downside. We also have a lot of red wick rejections, which are considered shooting stars. A lot of reversals, a lot of ideas that price could go lower. Even if I taken a trend line and drew it from the top, what happened? Price rejected off of 2 trend lines to show me price was going to go a little bit lower. So right here, if this stays red, if you guys do put the Ichimoku on, which is the cloud indicator, and you keep it to the regular setting, the red is showing me it's going to go down. As long as the red stays red and does not turn green, and we do not see a break above the cloud, when I'm saying above the cloud, if price does not go over it, we are still looking bearish. If price still comes towards the cloud, I don't care. I'm still looking for selling opportunities until price breaks above structure. The other cool thing is I'm also going to be showing you guys the parabolic SAR and how effective this could be with your ideas of price action. So we're going to put the parabolic SAR right here, regular settings as well. So the parabolic SAR are these little dots showing me confirmations of when to buy, when to sell. Of course, you do not want to use this by itself. This is not effective. Both these indicators are not effective by itself. TA comes first, indicators are second confirmations, okay? Once we put this into effect, let's take a look exactly at price action and exactly what these parabolic SARs are doing. So right here, guys, I'm going to be removing, you know what? Never mind. I'm just going to be drawing this out so you guys can see. The parabolic SARs are right here, guys. So I'm drawing this out with my tool. The little dots right here, these are like blue dots, and you can see how it's on the top. That's showing me selling pressure. That's not showing me buying opportunity. So if we know that that considers selling pressure, what does that mean? We're going to put all of this together, and I'm going to show you why this trade was such a great trade. Okay, first of all, we had a break of this beautiful ascending triangle. Let me move the parabolic and the Ichimoku. Ascending triangle, great confirmation, great pressure to the upside, did not get a break to the upside. So that means we had weakness in buyers. Buyers were weakened and we were looking for a key level of break. This trend line was broken. Look left of structure, also 0.0015 was broken. If sells were not taken here, you look for the retracement, get into a deep retracement, and right away get into that trade. Stop loss above structure, 0.0017. Once you do that, you look for a 2-to-1 trade and you put the extension of this beautiful ascending triangle, and the ascending triangle showing us 0.0013 is going to be the next level. Do not get into any trade until this level right here is broken, 0.0014. If that is broken, retested a confirmation, we could look for a deeper retracement to the downside. Reasons why we still want to respect these levels, because at any moment these levels could be another move to the upside, and we do not want to get stuck in an upwards move. If you're looking to sell, you want profits to go to your way right away and take advantage. So once we have that confirmation, let's put everything in together. Breakout, retest, confirmation. Then we had the Ichimoku show me red, looking to sell. 2 confirmations, retest, sell. We do have a breakout, that's another sell, and we also have a red cloud showing me another sell. We also have the parabolic SAR on top showing me another sell. Guys, this was a perfect trade, and I'm going to show you guys how great this sell was. We're going to go from the bottom, and we're not actually going to the top, because let's just say you missed out on the opportunity and you actually took it off of this level, 0.00159, okay? So even if you took it off of that level, that is an 8.46%. 8.46 is such a great thing. A lot of people are here stuck, and I feel so bad. A lot of people are just looking at the NFTs and they're just looking at those things to make money. Guys, NFTs will make money, but not now, because when you do have NFTs, you gotta put it for options, you gotta put it for sale, and until someone buys it, it's going to be on the shelf, and that's money being wasted. If you put your money, if whatever your collection is, I had someone that asked me a personal question. Listen to this very carefully, guys, because this is going to change a lot of mindsets and give you that little twist that you really need. NFTs are good to have. You don't need every single NFT to make a tremendous money. Go for the ones that are going to be the special hit. Go for your Star Wars. Go for whatever you think it's going to be. That's going to be that hit. For me personally, I'm looking for one-of-ones. If I see one-of-ones, I'm down to put in $250,000. I'm down to do all of that. Reasons why that's going to give me value, because I want to make sure I'm the only one that has that. But for now, it does not have that. Even when Pokemon comes, VVverse, if there's more mechanism, then I would put more into my NFTs. Right now, I'm actually putting more into my Ecomi, my OMI token. The reasons why you guys should do that and not really waste too much money on NFTs is because of this. Once a guy just asked me, the message that I got is, do I stop buying VV collectibles and do I just put in OMI? He listened to my advice 1 month ago. I do want to bring him onto my live just to give you guys his opinion and how he changed his life just by trading OMI. Now, he's been racking up OMI tokens every single day because he doesn't go for the drops. He's been saving a lot of money. A lot of people are selling NFTs for such a low price. You don't need to do the drops. Go into the secondary market and buy it. You don't have to look for the drop, guys. You really don't. If you really want to be in the VVverse and you want VV collectibles and you want to get to those collectibles, then sure, do it. But trust me, if you're looking to make money, I truly do believe the OMI token is where the money is going to be at. Not VV, not right now at this very moment. Does not mean in the future it cannot be. But guys, if you are trading OMI right now, you could be collecting so much. A lot of people have listened to me, and even when I told a lot of people, hey, you know, get off of OMI, go to Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin at that pump, get your Bitcoin, come to OMI and buy. Everyone that listened to me made tremendous money. For those that watched this video and actually understood exactly what I said, you guys are my number ones. Why? You are paying attention, you're watching everything that I've said, and everything that I do is for you guys. I don't have to be doing this. I do this because I want to make sure everyone understands the opportunity of becoming a trader is right here and now. I want to see lives change, and this is the reasons why I do so. I could be here showing you everything I have, but I do not. I rather let my actions speak for itself. My trading ability is right in front of you, and you guys can judge if I'm profitable or not. A lot of my students know how profitable I am, and I want to make sure I can give you guys the same opportunity. So for me right now, NFTs is not a must. What is important right now, if you believe in the project, go right now and buy your Omi tokens. But after this video, of course, we're looking at a beautiful sell. Once again, look at this structure, guys. Look at this structure. Price is doing it again. It's breaking below structure. What do you think I'm going to do after this call? I'm going to look for my confirmation. I'm going to look for my retest. And then if I do get that confirmation, what is going to happen? I'm going to be looking to sell. This is going to be a selling pressure. If you guys do like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much. Take it easy and John out. Peace.